Here you go. Come here. This is the hard part when Christmas is done. Come here, Bella. You gonna help Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta put this one on the blue container.
Yeah.
Put that one inside.
What are they
Here.
doing?
No, Christmas is done.
Is Christmas is done?
Yeah.
Bubble my turn.
You gonna put that one on the blue container.
Daddy, bubble my turn.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna remove the brands. Oops. You almost hit Daddy. No.
Daddy, why you remove? Why remove?
Because Christmas is done.
Christmas
You're asking me what are you doing, Daddy?
is Christmas done.
Yeah, Christmas is done. Just remove the trees, the brands, and put it here on the blue container. Okay.
Put the
Let me do that one. Let me do that one.
container.
Yeah, that's the... No, that's a... Green is for recycle. Green is for recycle. Blue is the garbage.
Blue and garbage.
Yeah.
A blue cycle.
No, green is recycle.
Green cycle.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let Daddy do it.
Oh, this is bigger.
Huh?
This is bigger.
Yeah, we need the big one.
Big one.
Yeah.
Uh, 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 uh.
All right, let me do it. Let me do it. No, let Daddy do it.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Bubble, help.
All right, you're gonna help. Once I cut it, you put it on the container, okay?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Okay. All right, hold on. No,